Hey, it's Craig at Private Fairway. Are you having a little trouble with the TrackMan not capturing all the data points? So sometimes if you have a problem where it's only giving you 2 or 3 data points, usually it's like ball speed, um, it's giving you and distance, but it's not giving you any of the club head data and all that. First thing would be to try and make sure you're hitting the ball in the zone, because if it just is doing it occasionally, but it's giving you all the data on all the other shots, then everything's probably okay. You're just probably getting outside the sweet spot of the record zone. However, if it's doing it on every shot, the only real solution is to restart the TrackMan. And it's pretty easy to restart the TrackMan. I'm just going to show you how to do it. First, if you come down here under your name down here, or whoever is the logged in user, and you come to settings, and then you come to advanced settings right here. You'll see here you have the advanced settings where you can make changes to the software, but under the about, it's going to show you the TrackMan. So right here where it says license, it should look like this, where it's connected to the TrackMan. It should look like this. If it's not, click that connect button. And then what you need to just do is you have to log into the website interface. So this is where the web browser will talk directly to the TrackMan, and it lets you make some changes. So what you're going to do is just come here to show web interface, and it's going to give you this window. There's not a password. You just have to click login, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to log in? Because what it's doing is disconnecting from the TrackMan software and connecting to the website or to the web browser. So you're going to force it to let you connect it. And then here it gives you all the information on it, but really all you have to do is go to the administration tab here, and where it says reboot, just click this reboot button like this. So you click reboot, it asks you if you're sure you want to reboot, you say okay. Now what's going to happen is it's going to take about 90 seconds for the TrackMan to reboot. You should see the green light next to the little camera on the TrackMan start to flash, but it's going to flash for a little while. And once it goes solid, it should be rebooted. So now when you're done here, you've already done this, you can say, okay, I'm done. And you can click login, but it's not going to be able to log in because the TrackMan's like in the process of being rebooted. So what you just have to do is come back here, close the browser window. Now you'll see you're back here. It says, oh, your TrackMan was disconnected, because we let the browser take it over. So you say, okay. And now what you want to do in order to get back to where you can play again, you need to connect the TrackMan and show the license, because the software license actually lives inside the TrackMan. So we click this button and it's going to say, do you want to connect? But we're not totally rebooted yet. So we just have to wait for it to reboot. And once the green light goes solid, you can click connect to the TrackMan and show the license. So I'll just give it a few seconds to do that. And I'm logged in remotely, so I can't see the green light, but we'll click connect it. We click like this. Now it's going to connect. And now it shows us that it's connected. And when we come back here, everything will be back normal. So you can click save the settings, and now you're back, and it should be back to giving you all the data. So that's how to reset it. Just takes a few seconds and you're back ready to go.